Good morning, y'all. This is the day in the life of a 20-year-old entrepreneur who flips cars for a living. Let's get it.
We still talking codes. I think the feds on every iPhone. No more polo t-shirts. Put that shit on every day from now on.
First thing I've been doing this morning is bidding on a car. So right now we got this Honda CR-V. This thing is actually pretty mint, and I actually want to buy this as my daily because my GTR has been having some problems. Not really problems. I hit a crazy pothole the other day that I caught on my dash cam. Literally bent the rim on my car. I need 4 new wheels, 4 new tires as well. The tires are on wires. The car is low-key cooked right now. Kind of thought to myself, I think it's a good idea to not put as many kilometers. Like, I go on a lot of useless drives with my car, and I think it'd be a better thing to have a daily for those useless drives so I don't have to waste more gas, waste more kilometers. Not that gas is a problem. Just wasting kilometers on the car, even though I plan on keeping it forever. I don't know. Just because big maintenance things will probably pop up soon, and I think I'd rather delay that and have something like this. We're negotiating with them right now. I've been firm at 700 bucks, 314,000 kilometers. This thing's mint, dude. We'll see. All right, boys, now this is what we're wearing for the day. We got a nice little green shirt, some black pants. I pretty much wear similar clothes every day. I don't got too much inventory. We got some stuff to do today. We are going to maybe pick up a car. We were supposed to go look at a car, but that kind of fell through. Anyways, we're gonna start off our day. As always, I always go and get a coffee. My buddy's actually over today as well. So we're gonna go get some coffee at Tim Hortons, man. Let's get it. You hyped or what? Yeah, he's hyped. Every day beforehand though, I also write out my schedule. Let me go through what we gotta do today. So this morning I had to bid on cars, check. We're still waiting to hear back on that CR-V that I won. We countered at 700 and we haven't heard back yet. We can get this. That'd be sick, bro, because this is gonna be my new daily driver. I got a couple things I have to film and send back to my editor. I have a couple of short form content to film, and other than that, we gotta go pick up a car and maybe clean it up. Is it a beautiful day today? And a beautiful day, hop in a GTR, man. Dude, this is crazy. We gotta pick up a car today. I think it's a 2006 Honda Civic, but we're gonna be taking the GTR to get a coffee. Now, if you guys are new to my channel and haven't seen me before, my name's Colin. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Ontario, Canada. I drive a Nissan GTR. I bought this car by myself, no handouts, by flipping cars. For the past couple years, I've been documenting on social media my journey of car flipping for anyone to see. And that is how I was able to buy my dream car. Definitely still my dream car, but I don't know, but there's bigger things as well one day. I love creating videos and documenting the process for you guys to learn car flipping for yourself. I don't know, I've always liked doing content. I used to stream on Twitch as well before I got started with all this other car stuff. Here's inside my car. We got the May version of my car. I love this thing. Inside the car, you got the gauges, and I don't go anywhere without my Redtiger Dash Cam. I've tried so many different dash cams, but I've found this one to be the best out of everyone I've tried. Oh, yeah, this guy's taking a picture. Best quality, easiest to use, super nice because it's got the 3 channels, the front, the face cam, and the rear, so it's good for me making videos as well. I drive this car a lot, always going to Toronto to pick up cars that I'm flipping, or just to my buddy's house. They all live far away from me, so I'm always driving this car everywhere I go, and I've been putting on a lot of kilometers, to be honest, and that's why I was looking for a daily this morning.
Good morning, may I take your order?
Can I just get a medium iced coffee?
Yeah, sure, here you go.
Thank you so much. Don't flame me. The reason I get a straw, because these cups usually spill everywhere, because like when you tilt it this way, it spills everywhere. Straw, no coffee stains. Oh, hell yeah, dude, they actually made it good. Sometimes it's hit or miss. I'm gonna talk a little bit about my dash cam and why it is the best dash cam I've ever used. So I use the Redtiger F17 Dash Cam, the 3-channel dash cam. That means it gets the front, your face cam, and the rear, so basically all angles of the car. Now, I don't drive anywhere without my dash cam on, just because, you know, if someone hits me, I don't want to get blamed for anything. You want to protect yourself at all times legally. So we have the dash cam going 24/7 to make sure the car is good. Having a dash cam, especially in the quality it records in, brings me peace of mind. This one time I was driving and my 3M tape fell off, so the dash cam fell off. I literally pulled over, went and got new tape before driving. Like, I will not drive without my dash cam on. Now, why did I choose Redtiger out of all the dash cam companies possible? I chose Redtiger. Well, to be transparent, they actually sent me this dash cam quite a while ago when I got my car 8 months ago. It's super easy to use. I'm able to just download the clips straight from the dash cam onto my phone pretty much within 5 minutes. Whenever there's some crazy moments that happen on the road that I want to get from my Instagram, my TikTok channel, I'm able to instantly download it right after it happens. I've tried 4 other dash cam companies, and out of all of them, Redtiger has stood out to me, and I only use Redtiger. It's just the simplicity of it is what I like. It's good quality, and it shows my face. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. I have a pretty good impression of the brand as well. They seem like they care a lot about their product. I see a lot of other creators who I'm also friends with use Redtiger as well. The brand truly cares about their product, which gives me a good impression of them. I've had no complaints with Redtiger at all. It's been fantastic. This one time I almost crashed my GTR. I was driving in my hometown area and the lane was ending. There was a truck on my left. I didn't know the lane was ending, and I literally made it between the truck and the curb. I swear, not much room left. There's like a couple inches left. I caught it on camera. It didn't look as crazy on camera. I'm grateful I was able to catch that on camera so I could rewatch what happened and see how crazy that actually was. And I even got to see my own reaction. All right, well, now that we got our coffee, we actually have to get to work. Caffeine indicates we got to start working. We're gonna go home for a bit. We're picking up a car a little bit later. Right now, I got some stuff to do on my computer. We're gonna get that done. A lot of my work is mainly just either cleaning up a car, working on a car, or on my computer. It's not too crazy. I love what I do. All right, boys, we got some good news. Look at what we just bought. We freaking got it, dude. Honda CR-V. This is the new daily. This thing's a beaut, dude. Gotta get rid of that sticker. Dude, this is beautiful, man. Mint. I don't know why I'm so excited for a $900 car, but this is gonna be so fun. Got the editing that I need to get done for now. We gotta drop off some money at the mechanic for all the work he's been doing on our cars. He's done a couple cars, so we gotta drop off like 1,300 bucks to him. Then after we do this, I think we're heading to Toronto. It's about an hour drive from where I live. I'm gonna scoop my next car flip, which is an 06 Honda Civic. I literally just flipped one of these. I got this one at a pretty good price. Not as good as the last one. It won't be as good as the deal as the last one we got. That one was like insane. That was literally like my most profitable flip. This one, I think we'll be able to make like at least 1,500 to like 2,500 potentially. So we'll see. But yeah, anyways, let's go drop off this money and then little road trip, pick up a car. We made it to the bank. GTR parked up. Well, we gotta make sure it's locked. I think we're taking out like 2,500. Oh, the mechanic 1,300, and then we paid 900 total for this. Yo, was he trying to get in the vlog or what? What was all that about? Yo, what kind of plate is this? What the hell? A weird plate. Interesting. What if he's running? Some people like that are actually crazy. Alright, we might as well post our first video of the day. Usually every day I'm posting 1 to 2 times on my short form accounts. I kind of want to start doing more. I don't know, I think I should definitely be posting more though. Once on TikTok, once on Instagram so far. Let's get it. Oh, we got the money out. This one's for mechanic. This one's for the CR-V. A new daily. The only reason I'm actually getting a daily is 1, save more money on gas, save kilometers on the GTR, preserve the maintenance on it. So eventually this car is probably gonna have a lot of money doing maintenance. So why not preserve that? Not drive it as much on times where I don't need to drive it. Obviously, I'll still drive this every day unless it's like raining or some bad weather, you know. Now I'll have the option to have a daily for the bad weather, long drives, things like that where it's useless to drive the GTR. For example, like a long car ride to pick up something. Mechanic is paid mechanic. Now we got to go pick up this car today. We're about to head out to go pick up this car, eating some apples. I never actually knew that green apples, they relate sour to green apples. I've never had a green apple until now, and they were actually sour. I understand where it comes from. So we're going to scoop this car. It's a 2006 Honda Civic. We're not taking the GTR, we're taking this Mazda 3. Are you hyped, bro, or what?
Bird shit on my car too.
Oh, nah. Oh my God, dude. They had to go, for real. Yo, this guy actually looks majestic.
Get the fuck in the car, dude.
All right. Yeah, let's get it, guys. We're picking up an 06 Civic. This thing looks mint from the photo, so hopefully it's as good as it shows. And then he's streaming today. I'm gonna help him out with his stream, filming stuff, so we'll be filming the behind the scenes of that. Yeah, man, this is the day in the life, dude. So let's go get this Civic. Look at this new style. Look at this, bro. We're rocking sweatpants, half off. Shit's tough, bro.
Nah, I'm gonna get me a bacon BLT.
Double chunk chocolate cookie, bro. This car is gonna be sick. We're getting some Timmy's, of course. This is my second time today. I feel like we haven't done shit today. No, I got a lot of editing done this morning, but then we're picking up the car. Usually I would clean up the car too, but I'm gonna help him stream today as well.
Definitely have this shit. As soon as this like fills the tank, it's gonna be floodgates open with my asshole.
Okay, man. Well, we got an hour drive, so hopefully it's not too bad. We got some water, man. Can't go wrong with some nice ice water. It's from a Toyota dealership, wholesale whip. Other than that, I'm gonna help bro stream, and I have a lot of editing to do tonight. So it's gonna be pretty boring after we pick up the car. I don't think I'll have time to clean it today. Just gotta edit. That's pretty much my life. It's just editing plus cars. It's not bad. Quick car wash pit stop. What are you scooping today?
What am I scooping today?
Yeah, you getting a whip?
2014 KTM 690 Duke with only 21,000 kilometers.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is, but maybe it's cool.
It's a motorcycle.
Oh, here we go. Oh shoot, he's moistening the car up a little bit. So there's color ones too?
Oh my god, we're inside of a car wash.
Oh no.
Car wash.
Should I open the window, guys? Your paint is cooked. Look at that. There goes the paint. No!
Look at this under. Look at this under.
No! Oh my god, it smells so good.
It smells like fucking bubble gum. Oh my
Oh, it
god.
actually smells good.
No! How can we smell it?
Nice one, man. You're in the turning lane and the straight lane. How long until someone honks?
ready.
Someone's about to honk, bro. Alright, bro's going to buy a bike right now. Let's go check it out. It's sick, eh? What do you think?
Bro, it's a 700cc naked bike.
Let's see if it turns on. Actually, it doesn't. What would you do if it doesn't? I don't know shit about bikes, but like, they're kind of cool. I don't know. I literally don't know anything. I don't know what a bike's worth. I don't know what bikes are good. I don't know anything about bikes.
Oh, it slides! Holy jeez! Get this guy some shoes!
Alright, he's buying the bike. And now we're going to scoop our Civic. Let's get it. Look at that, the CN Tower. Getting this Honda Civic. Traffic is insane though. It's been ridiculous. We're like 20 minutes away. And then we're streaming tonight.
I gotta shit my asshole out.
Nice, man. Nice.
No. Tickle my anus.
Well, here we are. Scarborough Toyota. To get a Honda Civic. It's gonna be sick, hopefully. Or right there. Yeah, right there works too. Wherever you want to go. Honestly, wherever you want to go, man, you can park there. I own this building. Right now we gotta find this thing now. That's half the battle. We made it. We got the keys. Should we put off the alarm?
Oh my god, it's right here. Oh my god, it's right here.
This one?
It's this one.
We might have to go to the very back. Yo, they got a lake here too.
Oh my god, and they have a shitter over there.
Where? Oh my god. They be putting porta potties in the most random spots ever.
What car is this? Toyota Camry? A Honda?
Corolla. Honda Corolla.
Is that not what I just said? Toyota Corolla?
No, it's a Honda Corolla.
What the f?
Oh, dude, this is mint, bro.
Yeah, the color, not the condition.
Hey, they got a car wash here. Oh my god, we're making it go off. Still going. Oh, it's off. Okay. What are the odds it has an exhaust leak?
How much did you pay for this? 15?
I think it's like 1,600. What if that was his shit going off?
I'll just hotwire one of these things. That's Supra.
Where?
Right here.
Ooh, no good way. What the f does that mean? Oh wait, it might be that one. Could be it. It's it. Okay. Bit of rust down here. That's nothing we can't tackle.
I see it, I see it.
That's surface. And we got 4 freaking tires to start up. Let's see if it has an exhaust leak. Of course it does. Of course it has an exhaust leak. AC works on this shit. Let's see if the e-brake works. Bad. E-brake works. Let's see if the horn works. The horn does work. Oh, the brakes are good. Oh, this thing's fire, bro. You been with this as a daily? Yo! There's a penny in here from 1972. Now we gotta drive it back, and now we're streaming. We gotta figure out where we're gonna go for that. And then tonight we're gonna be editing, so that's pretty much the day. We got our new car. You guys are gonna see this flip on the channel very soon. Yeah, we got a full process on this now. Can't go wrong with the Civic. Come on now. All right, boys, we're heading out. Gonna get some food right now. Chipotle, I think we're going. I've only had it once. Going back, and then we're gonna stream with Dylan. Dylan's gonna stream. I'm probably gonna be up super late tonight, you know, because I appreciate him taking the time to drive here, so I'm gonna help him film. And then tonight, I'm gonna edit. Usually, like, I go to bed around like 12, 1 o'clock, but tonight might be a lot later. We'll see. But let's go get Chipotle. We made it. We made it. We're getting some Chipotle at the mall. How was the drive? I literally missed my exit. I missed my exit. Chipotle side quest. This is such a random side quest. We gotta find Chipotle. Oh shit, you got the map? Oh, is that the strat?
Yes, it is. Straight to shake it up like a newborn baby.
All right, Dylan got a ton of random shit. Got lettuce, chicken, cheese, rice. Done. Beautiful. We're leaving, we're heading back now. Look at the sunset, dude. This is a beautiful sunset, man. You still have to stream, man.
I know, let's go.
Let's get on the road, man. I'm driving home with no aux right now. What the hell is on the radio, man? This has been a long trip, bro. Of course, we left during rush hour, man. That made this trip take a lot longer than it should have. Well, we got the car back. Now we got a car to work on, so let's get it. When I'm not listening to fruity music, these drives get me thinking sometimes, you know? All right, y'all, we made it back. We're gonna go stream now. Here we go. Time to stream. We're going to a Boston Pizza. Here they got an arcade, bowling alley, everything. 11 o'clock at night, and we gotta lock in after this and edit.
Watch this. Straight to the goal. Gamble, gamble, gamble. That's what I teach. What are you doing?
Look at this shit. It was on Facebook Marketplace behind the camera. Take a break call and you're off duty.
That's actually crazy. I didn't realize.
We just got done all that streaming shit. They didn't. But we're ending the day editing right now. At a McDonald's. It's actually pretty chill. I'm here at McDonald's freaking grinding, man. It's 2:30 a.m. I'm waiting for them to pick me up so we can go home. We still have a lot to do with that Civic. You guys will see the full process video probably soon. Usually I'm asleep like 2 hours before, and I would have hit the gym. We didn't get to do that today. I had to help my buddy stream. It was a pretty good stream. We had a good time. It was chill. Yeah, man, I think we're gonna head back. I think they might actually be here to pick me up. So maybe we finally get to go home, go to sleep. We gotta wake up early tomorrow again. We got a ton of stuff to do. As always, the grind don't stop. That's the end of the day today. Going to bed. 3 a.m. All right, well, we got a long day tomorrow. Anyways, boys, have a good night. Thank you for watching.
Real shit, if you guys are trying to get started car flipping, make sure you subscribe. That was an average day in the life for what I do. You know, we picked up a car, had a bunch of other little tasks to do, a bunch of editing, and every small step gets you closer to your goals and dreams. So, you know, keep it going. Every small action counts.